Hello and welcome, Victor here from Multifunction Crewe. Today I am delighted to show you around this Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI SE Navigation. Finishing crisp white and powered by 2-liter diesel engine delivering 150 PS paired with manual transmission, this Tiguan blends practicality with performance. At the front, the Tiguan features halogen clear headlights as well as front fog lights with static cornering function which help illuminate your way on those twisty evening drives. The 18-inch alloy wheels strike perfect balance between comfort and control. The rear profile includes roof-mounted spoiler, LED number plate lights and rear tinted glass from the bi-pillar backwards for added privacy and sleek look. With a variable boot floor and split folding 40-20-40 rear seats, the Tiguan offers versatile storage. Whether it's luggage for a weekend away or golf gear and groceries, it handles it all easily. Rear passengers enjoy comfortable space with sliding rear bench, rear air vents and folding center armrests with integrated cup holders. ISOFIX mounts on the outer seats and rear table trays bring extra family-friendly practicality. The front comfort seats offer tight height and lumbar adjustment, and there are under-seat storage drawers for added practicality. You'll find a leather-trimmed multifunction steering wheel giving you easy access to driving data, infotainment and cruise control settings, and a color display behind keeps your eyes on the key information. The free-zone electronic air conditioning system ensures everyone on board can travel in comfort. With automatic air recirculation and rear seat controls, it's a breeze to stay cool during warmer days. The infotainment system comes with composition media and DAB digital radio, which delivers rich sound through multiple speakers, as well as phone and app integration, allowing you to connect your smartphone easily for calls and media. You will also benefit from vehicle status and car menu, allowing you to stay informed with helpful vehicle information. A Think Blue trainer, which encourages efficient driving habits, and parking sensors at the front and rear, which make urban maneuvers hassle-free. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI SE Navigation. For more information, give us a call today.